Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. Today, we will be discussing the popular proverb, blood is thicker than water, exploring its meaning and how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. So, let's dive right in. The proverb, blood is thicker than water, has been used for centuries to describe the strong bond and loyalty that exists between family members. It implies that family ties and relationships are more important and enduring than those formed with friends or acquaintances. The phrase is believed to have originated in ancient cultures, where blood was considered a sacred and powerful symbol of life and kinship. Now that we understand the basic meaning of the proverb, let's talk about how this idea can be applied to our lives, starting with the importance of family support. It is no secret that having a strong support system is crucial for personal growth and success. Family members, being closely connected to us, often have our best interests at heart and provide a solid foundation for us to rely upon. They offer love, guidance, and encouragement when we need it the most. It is essential to appreciate and nurture these relationships, as they play a significant role in our overall well-being and happiness. Another key aspect of the proverb, blood is thicker than water, is the idea that our family can help us overcome difficulties in life. In times of hardship or crisis, we often turn to our family for comfort and support. They can provide us with the strength and resilience needed to face our challenges head-on, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles. Moreover, family members may have valuable insights and advice on how to navigate difficult situations, which can prove to be extremely helpful in overcoming obstacles. Now, let's discuss how this proverb can help bring luck and success into our lives. As mentioned earlier, our family can provide us with a strong foundation of support and guidance. By maintaining close ties with our family members, we are more likely to develop a positive mindset and a can-do attitude, which are essential ingredients for success. Furthermore, family members can connect us with valuable resources, such as job opportunities or business contacts, which can significantly contribute to our personal and professional growth. It is important to note that while this proverb emphasizes the significance of blood relations, it does not mean that we should disregard the importance of friendships and other connections in our lives. Instead, it serves as a reminder to value and prioritize our family relationships, as they are often the most enduring and supportive ones. That said, cultivating strong bonds with friends, colleagues, and mentors can further enhance our support system and contribute to our overall success. In conclusion, the proverb, blood is thicker than water, highlights the importance of family bonds and the powerful impact they can have on our lives. By nurturing these relationships, we can create a strong support system that helps us overcome difficulties, bring luck, and achieve success. Remember to cherish your family members, appreciate their support, and strive to maintain close connections with them. Thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. We hope you gained valuable insights into the meaning and application of the proverb, blood is thicker than water. Remember to apply these principles in your own life and watch as your relationships, luck, and success flourish. Until next time, take care and keep strengthening those family bonds. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.